So today we're going to be releasing our Payme Skill. So if you don't know what skill is, you can go on. A skill is like an instruction that your agent follows, and it should be able to, do stuff. If you're familiar with OpenClaw, ZeroClaw, NanoClaw, all other variants of Claw, or Claude Code or Codex, Cursor, this is a skill that you can install for the agents to be able to have access to wallets and be able to transfer, be able to convert the USDT into Naira for you. So let's get into it. So in this window is my own agent. It's called Agent Zero. It's an agent that runs inside a Docker environment. So it's like an environment where that's not connected to your real computer environment, and agents can do whatever I want inside the environment. So this is Agent Zero. It's like my own version of OpenClaw. But this skill can work for any agents that you work with. So the first thing you want to do is come to the GitHub. So we'll be linking this GitHub in all of our posts, so you guys can copy it easily. So you copy this, Control C. This is the repository for the Payme Skill. It's a public folder. You come into Agent Zero and you say, "Hey bro, please install this skill for me." And then you paste it and then you press enter. I don't want to press enter because I've already installed it earlier. So this is what I did earlier on. I installed the skill. You choose your pin. This is the pin. We're changing the duration. It goes ahead and creates a wallet for you. Meanwhile, when you install the skill, so it said Payme Skill installed successfully. It's ready to convert to USDT to Naira. And I said okay. And it asked me to choose my pin. I said okay. And after you choose your pin, it creates a wallet for you and it gives you a claim code. This claim code is what you use to claim your account on Payme. So the claim code is this. You claim your account. It gives you detailed instructions on what to do. So you just follow it. If you follow that, the instruction is pretty much straightforward. So you have no issues there. So the first things first, we try to send $1 to another user, but it didn't have a USD balance. So we have to fund it. If you want to convert one basis to Naira, if you don't have money on the account, obviously to tell you that, and you need to verify your email, blah blah. So I've done all this beforehand. So this is the same account. I've preloaded it with $5, and we come here. The name of the bot of the agent is good agent, and I'm going to this is the Payme Skill. Actually, I should log out and go into use my vendor account. So I'm going to be using my vendor account for this. So on this window, I'm going to act as a vendor. While on this window, this is my agent on which I installed the Payme Skill. So let's see what's up. First of all, let's try this command. You know what? Let's start another chat. Hey bro, you already have access to the Payme Skill. Can you send USDC to NEC for me? So NEC is like the username for this account. So with Payme, you don't need to know what the address of the person you're sending to. You can simply just send to the username. So let's see what it says. Mind you, we have 1,032 USDC on this account, but let's see what happens. So you can see it's doing a bunch of thinking and all that. It's calling the API, and you should be able to do that. Right now, so you can see it says payment review. So he was able to understand that the recipient is like a username. This is the details of the transaction, and says, "Do you want to proceed with this payment?" Let's reply yes. Watch this space. We have 1033 here. It should become 1033. Alright, so it said payment sent successfully. Let's see what it does here. Actually, let's refresh that. Right, so you can see it's 1033. So it successfully sent the USDT there. Now let's say you want to convert the USDC to Naira. Convert to USDT to Naira for me. Naira for me. So what you should do is get a list of P2P vendors and then see which one you can convert with. So this is a list of, let's finish a bit. Alright, so if you come here, if you expand on this thinking, this is the list of the vendors we have available. But each vendor already set their minimum. But for this user is called neck. For this user, you can see that the minimum set is $1. So it means we can swap $2 with the other user. So let's say, do you want to proceed with this P2P sell? Yes, let's say yes. Remember, this is the vendor. So if you see a notification pop up here that we have a trade. Right. So you can see this. So on this, the agent says P2P sell order placed successfully. So it's escrowed the USDC. Now we as a vendor, if you're a vendor, this is what you will see on your screen. Accept it. So this is like a dummy account. This is just for demo purposes. So if we mark, let's say we mark paid, then the ask the agent, give me updates as soon as the vendor pays. Let's see what it does. I've not actually tried this method before, but let's see what it does. So you can see that it auto detected that the vendor has already marked paid. So you see what it did here. You may see. So it says great news. Vendor has paid already. Please check your account. If this was a real account, it will check if you received the funds. If you did receive the funds, it says it will let them know, then they release the trade. So let's assume we receive the funds. You say received, released from escrow. You should be able to see this released. So USDC should add to their balance on 1033 here. So let's see what happens. It says the escrow has been released successfully. So let's see what happens on this page. I need to refresh, but let's hold on a bit. 1033 is the balance here. Okay, so let's refresh this. So as you can see, this was the agent's trade. 1033 has now become 1035. So it means the USDC has been sold to the vendor successfully. So this is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with Payme Skill. You can batch payments, you can go to any West African country, and you know, if there's a vendor there, you can convert your USDC into your Momo accounts or whatever accounts you use in any of any West African country. There's also Kenya. There's I think Gambia is there. Anyways, that's about it. That's the release that we're releasing in a couple of hours. And remember, this is the GitHub. We'll be linking it in our profile. If you're an OpenClaw user, go to claw.ai. So go to, so it's like a skill repository. So this should be it. So you go to skills, you search for Payme. You can see it's coming up here. You click Payme, and then the command to install this should be here. You can just copy this link and give your agent. The agents know what to do. But if you want to be granular, you come to this, you copy this, install this, or you copy this or install it. So that's about that. So see you guys later.